All right, section 9.2 is properties of matrices. We're going to learn what a matrix is, what an element of a matrix is, how to talk about the dimensions of a matrix, and we're going to use matrices to perform some translations. So a matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. Each number in the matrix is an entry and element. The matrix that we have right here is, we name it by row and column. So this is a 3-row, 2-column matrix. So we call it a 3 by 2. The first element in the matrix in row 1, column 1 is the number 2. In row 1, column 2 is the number or the element 4. In row 2, column 1, we have the element -5. In row 2, column 2, we have the element 0.5. So those are just vocabulary words and how you use those vocabulary words. So we can use a matrix to mathematically communicate the location of an object, like a polygon, on the Cartesian plane. We'll start here by talking about point A and its coordinates, and then quadrilateral ABCD. If you just want to talk about point A and put in a matrix, you'll see that the x-coordinate goes in row 1, column 1, and the y-coordinate goes in row 2, column 1. So the point A, -4, 0, is listed like this in the matrix. Therefore, to list the quadrilateral ABCD, we would have all 4 points listed, and the x value goes in the first row, and the y value goes in the second row, and then each point has its own column. So this is how we would represent a polygon. If we were asked to write a matrix representing triangle ABC with these, why don't you pause the video and write that down now. So the first row would be 3, 6, 7, or the x values of each of the 3 points, and the second row would be 5, 7, 3, or the y values for each of the 3 points. Point A would be in the first column, point B in the second column, point C in the third column. How many rows and columns would you have for a hexagon? Well, you'd have 2 rows and you'd have 6 columns, because the hexagon would have 6 points. In order to add matrices, they have to have the same dimensions. So here we have subtraction of 2 matrices. These are both 2 by 2 matrices, and therefore we can add them. When we add them, we simply add their position. So 12 plus a -4, or 12 minus 4 is 8. -4 minus 7 is -11. -3 minus 3 is -6. And 17 minus a -8 is 25. So that would be adding matrices. They have to have the same dimensions in order to add them.